Hello friends, this is Sunil Kumar Jadhav and welcome back to my channel. Here in this video we are going to see relationship between zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial from chapter number 2 polynomial mathematics grade 10. Let us see. Relationship between zeros and coefficient of the polynomial. Here I have written some formulas. First of all, let us begin for the quadratic polynomial. We know that quadratic polynomial means the polynomial has the variable, its highest degree is 2. We are calling it as the quadratic polynomial. For quadratic polynomial, if alpha and beta are zeros of the quadratic polynomial. What is the meaning of zeros? When we put these values of the variable, we are going to get the answer equal to 0. So alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. The polynomial is p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta. Alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. It means the sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. You can see that here it is this x square, this is x, and this is a constant term. A is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. So that way alpha plus beta means the sum of the zeros is equal to minus b upon a. What is b? Here you can see b is a coefficient of x. So we should write it minus, that is minus. What is b? Coefficient of x. So that is coefficient of x upon a. What is a? A is a coefficient of x square. So that is divided by coefficient of x square. So sum of the zeros is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. That is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. This formula you have to remember. Alpha into beta means alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. So the product of the zeros, that is alpha into beta, is equal to c upon a. What is c? You can see here c is a constant term. So we should write it, that is the product of the zeros alpha into beta is equal to c, that is constant term, upon a. What is a? You can see a is a coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square. So alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. That means product of zeros is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. This is what we have seen for the quadratic polynomial. Now let us see for the cubic polynomial. If alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of the cubic polynomial, as quadratic polynomial have two zeros, for the cubic polynomial there must be three zeros, that is alpha, beta and gamma. That is the zeros of the cubic polynomial, and the cubic polynomial p of x is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Then alpha plus beta plus gamma. What we did? That is sum total of all the zeros. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. What is b? B is a coefficient of x square, and what is a? A is a coefficient of x cube. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, that means sum of the zeros is equal to minus, this is minus b. What is b? B is a coefficient of x square, so coefficient of x square upon a. What is a? A is a coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube. Alpha into beta into gamma, the product of zeros, the product of all these three, alpha into beta into gamma, is equal to minus d upon a. Now as per the format general formula, what is d? D is a constant term. What is a? A is a coefficient of x cube. So that way we can write it. It means the product of the zero alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus, this is minus d. D means coefficient of, or we can say constant term, because d is a constant term. So minus d, that is constant term, upon a. A means the coefficient of x cube, coefficient of x cube. Now alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha is equal to C upon A. That means here alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. Sum of the product of zeros. These are the product taken two at a time. We have taken alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha, and we did the sum total of all of them. The sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time is equal to, that is C upon A. What is C? C is the coefficient of x, so we'll write it coefficient of x upon A. What is A? A is a coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube. So these are the formulas that you have to remember for finding out the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. Remember this formulas to find out the relationship between zeros and the coefficient of the polynomial. In the next video we'll see in detail. Thank you so much.